Well, hello again, and welcome to the lecture 4 of our module 3. And in this lecture, we'll be talking about the tailwind tribes, one of the best features of the tailwind available right now. To get to the tribes, you need to just go to the left and just see the separate tribes right there button. And as you would understand that, because it's like separately written from in the menu, it's actually pretty important thing to do in the tailwind. So what we're gonna do here is we are going to get to the tribes and learn how to actually using this feature. So I'm using a regular tribes subscribed tribe number, basically, which is no more than 5 in the plus plan for the tailwind, which is the regular plan, the yearly plan for the tailwind, with $120 per year. So I was the member of the 5 tribes, but one of the tribes were not cutting for me, so I just quit it, and just to show you exactly how tribes are working and how you can actually find some tribes for yourself. So when you get to tribes, you will see the your tribes menu, but when you are getting at first, you're gonna see only the find tribes because you are not the member of any tribes. So but what are the tribes? Tribes actually are the communities inside the tailwind that are uploading and sharing each other's pins within this tribe. So what we're gonna do is we're going to find tribe that actually suits our needs, that is more in our niche, and that will help us to just to share our pins more and more and more and more. Let's find some great tribes. As you can see, there is a lot of like different categories like marketing, food and drink, travel, DIY, health and fitness, like kids and parenting, etc., etc. So what we are going to do now is we're going to think about what type of tribe that we want. So let's think about that. Maybe we should let's find a tribe about the Pinterest, if there is tribe about Pinterest. Like when you see the Pinterest, am I did I type it right? Yeah, Pinterest. Yeah. When you try the Pinterest, it shows me 257 results. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff here, like bloggers killing it on Pinterest, the art of better, the social media digital marketing, which I'm a member of already, Pinterest friends, which is the preview tribe, and you can see here the activity as well. But by the way, let's go through this stuff when you're looking for it. This is the number of the name of the tribe as well. You can press preview tribe just to get inside the tribe and see stuff. This is the topic of the tribe, which is category basically, which is lifestyle in this case. This is all about what this topic is about, like all the topics, any topic, bloggers, blogging, book, dad, fashion, journal. It's all about that stuff that is actually circulating around this tribe. This is the tribes rule here, and this is about the tribe. This is the number of the members. This is the members that you may know, which is basically when you have when sharing some of the tribes with the people. This is the activity, how active the actual tribes members are. The more is better. Like in my case, this is the very active tribe which I am the member of, which is great. It's better to have a very active tribe than very like high number tribe. You can just go and press join now immediately, or you can just press request to join and people will just allow you to get there. So we're going to find some very active tribes. I don't know, let's just see it. You know what? I don't think creative entrepreneurs, which is pretty nice here. You know what? I don't like this one, these tribes that much. This is actually a pretty good tribe, but having like anything inside can be very bad. So let's go with motivation. Not motivation, but motivation. My blogging life. Okay, what's millennial personal growth? No, this is not good. Like quotes. Let's search for quotes related topic. Quotes, press the quotes now, and let's see, maybe there is something good about the quotes. Bloggers supporting bloggers, attraction marketing, beauty blogging, I don't know, personal growth. You see, I think the personal growth might be a pretty good one, and activity is pretty high. 250 members, fun, communication, coaching, guidance, goals, happiness, health, personal growth, positivity, which is great because we are going to use that to promote our quotes even more. because they are popular right now as at the moment of the recording of this lecture. So they're popular right now, and we could use them just to promote our pins even more. You're gonna press join now. It's open as well. 2,500 members, pretty good, pretty solid number, and this is more than enough to just upload, just to use this tribe to promote our pins. But there is a catch. Of course, there is a price to your using of the tribe. You need to actually promote the tribe members' pins as well in order to get your pins to be pinned on the top of the search list. As you can see, these ones are pretty good because these people that have pinned this one are pretty active right here. And you can see all the people are showing the people that have been active, like joined this tribe 2 years ago. Like these people are very, very active. As you can see, these people 2 years ago, 841 pieces of content submitted. 5 days ago, 6 days ago, and 9 days ago. You can see all the submissions. The latest activity, they are not very active because the last thing they ever showed was 2 months ago, which is not that good because you need people to be more active. Like this guy is very active. Like shared 2 days ago and submitted 14 hours ago. So you can say hello, just submit it, but just to have a contact. Well, I'm gonna show you there is one more button right here. I'm just gonna move my picture here. This is the actually tribe chat that you can go and just connect with the people and allow notification and whatnot. And what we are going to do here is we are going to upload actually our pins. So what we're going to do first, before we're going to upload, we need to upload 5 of our pins. I want to upload like 5 pins right now. Before that, we are going to see which pins are actually good and how to boost yours, and then fitness, nutrition related. Okay, you know what? Let's go confidence. Yeah, it's self-confidence. I like this pin. I'm going to do that and upload this to where? Let me just choose where should I upload. Maybe motivation. Maybe let's go with the motivation. Let's just go directly to the motivation. Add to the queue. I'm gonna go. You will never be. You will never be ready. Start anyway. This is pretty good. I'm gonna go with motivation as well. Let's just start type M because I have a lot of pins, a lot of boards. Do it like that. Just upload share 5 pins and then upload 5 pins. That's what I'm doing. 5 ways to improve your focus. You know what? I'm gonna go this with entrepreneur mindset and with the motivation, and I'm gonna use interval of not that much. I'm gonna use interval of maybe 1 hour. Now let's go with the 6 hours. Optimize interval of 6 hours. And then I'm gonna press schedule. Do not forget to press schedule after you have created an interval, because otherwise it will not just upload it. Let's go. How to have more balance in your life as a busy entrepreneur, which is good, which is great. Entrepreneur mindset and go with the motivation. Both of them again. Use interval and go with an optimize of 6.5 hours, whatever it is. Press schedule. Okay, I think we have done enough here. So what we could do now is to promote our own pins right here. Can we though? Yes, we can promote our own pins right here. So in order to do that, we're gonna go back to our Pinterest, and I am going to do what? I'm going to find my most popular pin right here, the quotation here, and I'm gonna press this one like that. Again, like we did in previous video. And as you can see, instead of doing something, I'm gonna press add to tribes just directly without anything. And I'm gonna go with the personal growth. I've uploaded, as you can see, you see here how many pins I've uploaded and how active I've been to the other tribes. I have like 5 tribes here, but in my case, I'm gonna use only this one. 6 items shared, which is good, which makes me in a plus side. So I'm gonna go and add to tribe like that, and got it. That's it. That's all I needed to do. I'm gonna get back. You know what? Let me just. I have like so many things open right now. I'm gonna go and reshare a few more pins there. So let's see, 11,000. You know what this 11,000 pin is? is pretty popular as well. So you know what, I'm gonna do it like that to not just divide everything. I'm gonna press add to tribes, and you know what, you've already added the content to this tribe using different image few seconds ago. If you want, these two pins are just promoting the same page, so you can just go just in case. If it's just reminding you that you have already uploaded this content. I'm gonna just get it a bit wider. So on May 20th, which is today, but we're gonna do that anyway, and add to tribe, and got it. And that's it. That's basically what we are doing with the tribes. And as you can see here, let me just refresh the page, get into the dashboard. And as you can see, oh no, not let's get back to the tribes. Let it load. As you can see here, this is showing you number of the submissions of the tribes you have actually used. You have available only 30 per month, and it gives you the exact time when it will be resetted. So which is pretty good, pretty handy. You can just use all of them. I have 10 days to use all 30, and I'm be sure that I'm gonna use that. And if you want more submissions, you can press like with the smart loops, more tribe power-ups. These are pretty good thing to actually have, and this is what I'm going to purchase as well. Like after I'm done with this course, I'm going to purchase these tribes as well and see how actually they work, because having like unlimited amount of tribe submissions is actually really good thing. Plus I'm gonna do that. Let's close this one. I'm gonna do the same with the smart loops and see how they actually will affect my number of viewers, because probably I think this gonna affect my viewers big time, and I'm gonna be like incredibly huge. I'm gonna have an incredibly huge amount of pins and repins in the future. So I'm gonna always keep you in touch with that, and I'm gonna update this lecture after I've done that. So this was it for the tribes, which is incredibly powerful tool, and which I 100% suggest you to use that. If not anything else, tribes is probably one only thing that you could use on the Tailwind, and it still would be 100% worth it of the price they are asking for. So this was basically it for the module number 3. I know it was a bit short, but this was it. This was all you needed to know about the Tailwind. And after that, I want to congratulate you that you have passed the module 3, and you are there already to have towards a great success on Pinterest. You right now have all the available tools that you need to continue with the Pinterest and basically reach all the success that you want. But of course, this is not enough. But for that reason, we are going to continue with the module number 4, which is called maintenance, and I'm gonna show you how you can actually maintain the growth, how you can actually use a different analytics pages, and just to understand what you need to do just in total. We will just go through everything. We've done this before, and we're gonna just keep everything at one place so you would understand what you need to do in order to maintain the growth, and just to see how, or just to maintain the explosive growth of your Pinterest that you will get after you are done, of course, with this course. This will be in a lecture number 1 of module 4. In lecture number 2 of module 4, I'm going to teach you how to never ever run out of pins, to repin for your schedule, just to fill out your schedule with as many pins as you want, to have hundreds upon hundreds, maybe thousands upon thousands of pins ready for any time in the future, and just to streamline your scheduling routine. And then in the last lecture, we're gonna again sum up everything, and we'll give you your maintenance routine, like exactly what you need to do once per week, basically. That will take around few hours to do. Maybe even less. It depends on you. For me, it takes I don't know, because of my PC, it can take just a bit more time, because you're gonna work with hundreds of pins at the same time, so it may take quite a bit of time to load. That's an only time that you have actually gonna spend. That's actually the most time that you're gonna spend. So you're going to go through the pins and just give you a great routine that you need to do, just detailed routine, what you need to do with your Pinterest in order to continue succeeding. And after the module 4, you will have basically everything. You will have a well set up Pinterest account. You will have a good idea how to create your own pins. You will have already a pretty good setup boards, and you'll have you'll have all the tools that you need to continue, and you will have hundreds upon hundreds of pins that you can just continue pinning. And of course you'll have exact routine that you need to continue doing every single week in order to succeed. You could do this routine that I'm going to teach you next module bi-weekly or even monthly. It doesn't matter. You can just sit down. If you have like one free day, you could just sit down and do all these things once per month. And actually, yeah, you can do that once per month. You're just going to increase the number of the things that I told you to do per week. Just increase it to 4 times, and that's it. If you need like 2 hours per week to continue, like to have a weekly content, you will just need 8 hours per week, 8 hours per month to do that. So this will be it for the module 3. I hope it was helpful and easy to understand. Again, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask. I'm always ready to help with anything to course related, anything Pinterest related. Just ask your questions, ask away, whatever you want, and I'm gonna help you as much as I can. I'm not omnipotent, so just think about that. I may need some time to answer you. I may not have exactly time to answer you right away in the second that you ask the question. Maybe a few hours later, maximum maybe next day. So just be patient. Again, with the Pinterest, be patient. It takes some time, but it's almost 100% guaranteed that you will reach success if you continue using all the tips that I have given you during this course. Thank you again for being here, and I'm going to see you in module 4. Take care and see ya.